Hello, and welcome to the Shurley English 2-Minute Tip. Let's take a closer look today at interjections. Interjections are one of the 8 parts of speech. Let's look at how you can use them in your writing. An interjection is a word or words that express a mild or strong emotion. An interjection is usually located at the beginning of a sentence. If an interjection shows mild emotion, it begins the sentence but is followed by a comma. The example sentence here says, "Okay, I'll meet you at the coffee shop in the morning." Notice the comma after the interjection, okay. If an interjection shows strong emotion, it stands alone and is followed by an exclamation point. The example sentence says, "Good grief, I lost my keys again." Notice the exclamation point after the interjection, "Good grief." Here is a list of common interjections that can be used in writing to show either mild or strong emotion. One fun way to use interjections in your writing is to use them to inject a little bit of sarcasm into your pieces. The example sentence here says, "Fantastic! We are having a pop quiz today in class." Since most students do not get excited about pop quizzes, this shows sarcasm or saying the opposite of what you mean. Thank you for being with me to discuss interjections. Consider using one the next time you plan out a writing piece. For more 2-minute tips, please visit us on our YouTube channel and on our website at www.shurley.com.